The shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. Strong legs, independent life. Your morning coffee is either working against your legs, or it could be working for them. After 60, your body loses up to 8% of its muscle every decade. Your legs get weaker. Your balance suffers. The stairs get harder. The walks get shorter. And most seniors accept this as inevitable. But here's what no one is telling you. That cup of coffee you drink every single morning can become the most powerful delivery system for the nutrients your legs are desperately missing. 4 additions. Natural, inexpensive, proven. And number 1 on this list is the nutrient researchers call the greatest weapon against the muscle loss that steals independence after 60. Stay with me. Here is what's really happening inside your legs. Your muscle fibers, the ones that catch you when you stumble, that power every step up a staircase, are in a constant cycle of breakdown and rebuilding. When you're young, that cycle is balanced. After 60, something shifts. Breakdown accelerates. Rebuilding slows. Scientists call this sarcopenia. And a 2021 review in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle found that adults over 60 with significant muscle loss had a 300% higher risk of falling. 300%. But that same research confirmed sarcopenia is not inevitable. It responds to the right interventions faster than most people expect. Your morning coffee, that daily ritual, is a missed opportunity. One that ends today. We are counting down from 4 to 1. And I promise, by the time we reach number 1, you will never look at your morning cup the same way again. Number 4. Ground chia seeds. Meet Margaret, 71 years old, Ohio, 35 years as a school teacher, on her feet all day, stairs without a second thought. After retiring, the movement slowed. And so did her legs. Her walks around the neighborhood, once 40 minutes, had shrunk to 10. Her knees, she told her daughter, felt like they belonged to someone else. Her daughter suggested 1 teaspoon of ground chia seeds in her morning coffee. Margaret laughed. 8 weeks later, she was back to 30-minute walks. Knee stiffness reduced. Inflammatory markers improved. Her doctor asked what had changed. Here is what happened. Chia seeds are among the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. And omega-3s are your body's natural inflammation fighters. Chronic low-grade inflammation is the silent enemy of leg strength after 60. It damages knee cartilage, stiffens ankle tissue, makes every step harder than it should be. A 2020 meta-analysis in the British Journal of Nutrition found that omega-3 supplementation in adults over 60 significantly reduced muscle inflammation and improved physical performance within 12 weeks. Use ground chia, not whole. Whole seeds pass through without releasing their nutrients. Grinding unlocks everything. 1 teaspoon. No taste. No texture change. Quiet, steady protection for the legs that carry you. Number 4. Done. 3 more to go. And they get stronger. Number 3. Dorothy, 74, Georgia. Gardening every morning. Walking her dog Biscuit twice a day. Then her knees started talking back. No injury. No single moment. Just 2 years of slow, grinding pain. Until Biscuit's walks were down to the end of the driveway and back. Her granddaughter called one evening. Grandma, half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper in your coffee. Dorothy's response, that sounds absolutely terrible. 10 weeks later, she and Biscuit were back to their full morning route. Here is what happened. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories in science. It blocks NF-κB, the molecule that switches on inflammation genes in your cells. the inflammation that stiffens your knees every morning. That makes sitting down feel like a negotiation. That compounds silently for years. But here is what most people never learn. Curcumin alone is barely absorbed by the human body. Add a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, and absorption increases by up to 2,000%. A 2019 trial published in Trials Journal found that seniors with knee osteoarthritis taking curcumin with piperine daily reported a 58% reduction in pain and significant improvement in walking distance after 8 weeks. 58% from a spice in your coffee, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 pinch of black pepper. The warmth of coffee releases curcumin's potency. The pepper drives it into your bloodstream. Number 3. The inflammation fighter your legs have been waiting for. Number 2. Frances, 68, retired nurse, Florida. She knew the body better than most people ever will. She spent decades watching patients lose mobility, and she understood, professionally, that joints deteriorate with age. What she wasn't prepared for was feeling it herself. At 66, she started gripping the handrail on her own stairs, not from pain, from instability. Her knees weren't tracking right. Her ankles felt unreliable. She started avoiding stairs altogether. A former colleague suggested collagen peptides in her morning coffee. Frances, the skeptic, the scientist, rolled her eyes. 90 days later, she was climbing stairs without the handrail. Her words, "I feel like someone tightened the hinges. Here is why. Your joints are stabilized by tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, all made almost entirely of collagen. After 60, collagen production drops approximately 1% every year. Joints become unstable. Cartilage thins. The cushion between your bones disappears. Slowly, invisibly. Collagen peptides deliver glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the exact amino acids your body uses to rebuild that tissue. A 2018 study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that collagen supplementation significantly increased collagen synthesis in the tendons and ligaments around the knee and ankle. 1 scoop, 10 grams, dissolves completely in hot coffee. No taste, no texture, just the hinges being tightened. Every morning. Number 2. Collagen powder. 1 more to go. The one that changes everything. Number 1. Sylvia, 72, Pennsylvania, lives alone. Her daughter visits every Sunday. For 2 years, those visits became quietly painful to witness. Sylvia held on to furniture as she walked. Getting off the sofa required visible effort. Her daughter watched her mother, once a woman who danced at every family wedding, navigate her own living room like an obstacle course. The doctor said, "You're losing muscle. It happens at your age." No solution, just acceptance. Her daughter refused. She researched for weeks and found one answer repeated in study after study. Whey protein. 1 scoop in her mother's morning coffee. Sylvia didn't notice the difference in taste. 6 months later, Sylvia danced at her granddaughter's quinceañera. Not a shuffle, a real dance. Her daughter cried the entire time. Here is the science. After 60, your muscles develop anabolic resistance. The same protein that maintained muscle in your 40s no longer triggers the same rebuilding response. You need more, and better quality. Whey protein is the richest source of leucine, the amino acid that acts as the master switch for muscle protein synthesis. Without enough leucine, that switch simply doesn't flip. Muscle loss continues. Silently. Daily. A landmark study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found seniors supplementing with whey gained 38% more lean muscle than those without it. A 2022 meta-analysis in Nutrients confirmed whey protein improved leg strength, walking speed, and balance in adults over 60, all within 12 weeks. Leg strength, walking speed, balance. The three pillars of independence, all three. One scoop. One scoop of unflavored whey isolate in your morning coffee. Hot. Stirs completely. Changes nothing about the taste, but changes everything about what your legs can do. Number 1. Whey protein. The most important cup you'll pour for yourself today. One final layer, 60 seconds. All 4 additions are only as powerful as your body's ability to absorb them. And absorption depends on something most seniors ignore. Water. Before your coffee. Before anything. 1 full glass of room temperature water. After 8 hours of sleep, your blood is thicker. Your circulation is slower. Every nutrient we've discussed is being delivered by an underperforming system. That 1 glass restores blood volume. It primes your circulation, and it transforms your coffee from a morning habit into a precision delivery system for everything your legs need. Water first, coffee second, every morning. Your complete morning protocol, starting tomorrow. 1 glass of room temperature water upon waking. Then your coffee, with 4 additions. Ground chia seeds, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric plus black pepper, ½ teaspoon plus a pinch. Collagen peptides, 1 scoop. Unflavored whey isolate, 1 scoop. Stir, drink, repeat. If you take blood thinners, have kidney disease, or any existing condition, speak with your healthcare provider first. These additions are powerful. Use them wisely. My challenge to you, 7 consecutive mornings. Then come back to this video. 2 or 3 words in the comments. Did the stairs feel different? Did your legs feel stronger by day 4? I read every comment. Your progress becomes someone else's reason to start. Hit the like button. Right now, there are seniors being told weakness is inevitable. Your like reaches them and tells them otherwise. Subscribe to Strong Legs, Independent Life, every Tuesday and Saturday at 11 a.m. Your legs carried you to where you are today. Now it's your turn to carry them. Keep smiling, keep moving, and never forget, you've got this.